Alrighty then. We've waited long enough. It's been 2 minutes. We're here. What's up, JB? How you doing? Welcome in. Welcome in. I'm still in that Solana trade from this morning. 10 freaking hours. Just sideways. Unreal. Unbelievable. But I do think it's about to make an 8% move. Oh man, I got a very small list today. Gonna be looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, ADA, HBAR, AVAX, and Ondo. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, we're gonna fly through that thing quickly because I made a whole dedicated video going in depth on it. So I'm not gonna go in deep depth about it right now. Not gonna do that right now. We're just gonna go and look at my targets here. I'm still in Bitcoin trade this morning. Nice. So yeah, what I'm seeing out of Bitcoin here, I was looking for 3% upside. This 3% could play out by Sunday. As long as the market doesn't do something weird, I'm thinking by Sunday we see it back up to $114,657. So, yeah, we had some beautiful hidden bullish divergence on the 1 hour. Love to see that. We're making a higher low. We're maintaining support at 110,360. It looks good. Looks good. I don't have anything to complain about. Looks fine. Now, start of the new year, that might be some problems. But right now, it looks fine. Ethereum, looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. I got in a 206 before work. Now, not the best entry, but that's fine. As long as you're not on crazy high leverage, you're going to be okay. Going to be okay. But yeah, Ethereum, maintaining the uptrend. Looks fine. Looks fine. Weird day that they're holding the prices down so much right now. It's really weird to see that. Then people are going to be like, but we're afraid the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ are going to crack down on companies. I don't see what that matters, but, you know, people want to be scared just to be scared, I guess. Fact of the matter is, the Fed, golly, they keep proving how they don't want to cut interest rates. Did you guys see that Fed person talking on, I think it was Fox or something earlier? Absolutely insane. Can you check out Hype? Feeling the urge to short it for the last hour. I will check out some Hype. Good luck trying to short Hype, honestly, especially on the weekend. I wish you the best of luck there. What's up, Nigel? How you doing? Welcome in. Shorting Hype, really easy way to get wrecked. Really easy way. Just, for some reason, it doesn't want to go down. It's probably because of its TVL, honestly. Now that I have that vault thing, I'm like, oh, here's another facet to this DEX. It's kind of crazy. But yeah, so Ethereum, I'm looking for anywhere between like an 8 to 25% move to the upside. Looks fine. Until you lose this uptrend, everything's fine. Solana over here. We got a couple uptrends to work off of, but once again, same shit. It's fine. You got triple bullish divergence, higher low. Lower time frames look even better than the 1 hour, but it's your daily that kind of looks like dog poo poo because of the bearish divergence lower high situation. So if it does decide to go down, ugly redheaded stepchild. That's all I'm calling Solana at this point. The ugly redheaded stepchild. Just getting punked out there. But yeah, so the three with spot ETFs, they all look bullish right now, so I have a bias to the upside. That's really what I wanted to show you here. I have a bias to the upside. Anyways, let's go ahead and look at XRP. Ranked number 3 token. Well, I don't think it looks great. I don't like it. But it's back above your uptrend. Woo! Let's go. XRP. Yeah. This looks like a bear flag to me. I'm not even joking around. This looks like a bear flag to me. Looks really terrible in my opinion. You also got the double top on the 1 hour with the higher relative strength. That's not great. We'll see what happens here. I'm sure the banks are going to care a lot if the price goes down because reasons. I don't like XRP. All right, ADA. Oh, ADA made a post about this one not too long ago. I feel like it was yesterday. I even put it on X. We're looking for this thing to get up to anywhere between 86 to, what is this? $1.92 cents. And then if we pass that 92 cents, we could get right back on up to the top here at $1.01. Could do that. Hex DAI. Alrighty. Alrighty. If the Hexicans are buying, alt season. Rich jumping in here quick, dropping that UID, making sure you get that 100 seeds right there. Love to see it. What is up, Pumpkin people? By the way, everybody on Pumpkin, we are currently in a long on Solana. We are in a long in our vault. So if you want to be a part of the vault, you can always join the vault. It's under Porky65. We're doing okay in there. We're doing okay. I feel like this is going to be a really short stream just because we had a dip and then the prices stayed low. So everybody's just kind of like, oh, market do nothing. Oh, recession. Oh. Which I'm okay with. I'm A-okay with. But, you know, it's funny how people think. Anyways. H-bar. Now, something that I don't think that I have pre-done. Yeah, I don't have pre-done TA on this one. It does look like the downside played out. Let's go, baby. It even exceeded it. Holy moly. But let's get rid of some of these. Oh, boy, I have a lot of lines here. Why do I have so many? Why do I got so many? Oh, this just looks like a bull flag. Oh, geez. On the daily, this looks perfectly fine. Let me get rid of some of these because I don't know why they're all there. Get rid of all those. Okay. So, area that was acting as a support became a resistance. Tried to break above. Resistance again. Broke above. I would love if H-bar touched 20706 as a bullish backtest. I would actually love that. Because if we can get that touch, get that confirmation that it is now a support, H-bar looks amazing. It actually looks amazing. Might actually consider grabbing more H-bar. If that is the case, we could get a move all the way up to the 886, going up to 37171. Wow. H-bar has an opportunity. Whoa, that's a lot of 70% upside. Who would have thought? H-bar. After the golden cross on the daily and can't even get down to that 200 simple moving average on the daily. Quite impressive. Quite impressive. I like what I'm seeing out of H-bar right now. I really do. Consolidation could last all the way out until September 25th. But I really like what I'm seeing. This looks good on the daily. Looks really good. 4 hour, it looks like Chop City. High stochastic, sitting in neutral territory. It could just chop around here for a while, but once it finally breaks out, this could get pretty explosive. Don't sleep on H-bar, apparently. Don't sleep on H-bar. Alright, AVAX is next. AVAX. AVAX, kind of looking like dog poop. But I will say, in the shorter term, in the 4 hour, this is a good look. You were downtrending, you broke out of the downtrend. Did you get a bullish backtest? That's the question here. Someone's going to argue you did because they would mark it like this. Other people would say, nope, you're chopping around because of the wick here. I'm not that picky. I'm really not. What I'm noticing is the fact that you had resistance, it is now acting as support. This looks very bullish to me. We could see another leg to the upside going up toward that 27, 28, maybe even getting as high as $31. This looks pretty darn decent to me. AVAX. It also is getting new spot ETF filings left and right, so keep it on the radar. AVAX looking pretty decent. Looking pretty decent. Ondo right now sitting just fine. It's just fine. I'm surprised Ondo didn't actually start going up. A lot of real estate companies, they started going up today, and that was simply because the bond yields fell. So apparently people are buying into bonds, and on top of that, you had things like Rocket Mortgage, I think, or something like that, started skyrocketing. So RWA plays, I think they're going to have an opportunity, a really good opportunity to start running pretty soon here. So, yeah, I think Ondo might be one to keep on your radar. If we get a breakout, we're looking for anywhere between $1.42 and $1.56 on your next leg up. Looks like the consolidation could be coming to an end early. It's kind of cool, though. Kind of cool. Think about it. Anyways, I mean, noted, you have to not hate BlackRock to get into Ondo, but it is what it is. Let's go check out Hype. Bruh, this viewership sucks. Hey, man, it is what it is. Is what it is. That's why I'm just going to fly through all the TA and get on out of here. But we are live on Pumpkin, so, you know. WTF YouTube doing? Well, it's a Friday night. We had a fall in the morning, and then everything just stopped moving all day. I'm not too concerned about it. You know, the viewership on Pumpkin pretty low too. I don't know how long we're gonna stay live. I don't know. Hype right now. So you're trying to short it. I trust me. I understand you wanting to short it, but it's like, when is the bearish divergence gonna play out? It hasn't. Not at all. All it's doing is an ascending triangle. Once you finally break above 48.95, reality is you're probably going to brand new all-time highs, running straight up to like $58, $58.87. So hyper liquid, looks very good. Looks very good. Looks like the consolidation will be over sometime soon, by the 22nd, if this thing doesn't break out sooner. We've already made it about 70% into this. We could break out any day. Any day. So, yeah, JB, I would be very cautious. Unless you lose this uptrend here, shorting just, that doesn't look great. Doesn't look like a great opportunity. If you're trying to do like a really short-term scalp short, doesn't look like a good opportunity either. This looks bullish as hell. What the fuck? This looks really bullish. You already made the measured move to the 1618. Great, awesome. But now you have these new guys in here that are trying to push this thing straight up to overhead resistance. Up at 48.95. Huh. I see the bearish divergence. I can understand why you want to do it, but this peak right here just canceled out your bearish div, which that sends some mixed signals. I'll tell you what, that sends some mixed signals. Are they just faking you out, or are they about to let it rip to the upside? Who knows? That stochastic usually doesn't lie. That stochastic, it's resetting fast. It's going to want to probably rally soon. Crazy. Alright, let's go ahead and check out Hex, DAI. We're going to go with the first one. Well, damn. I mean, God, it looks good. Looks good for overnight anyways. Who knows? Maybe it looks like dog shit tomorrow. Who knows? Markets are trying to sell right now, or at least they're selling off XRP. They're doing the right and proper thing, but it's such a strange market right now. He doesn't own any, I promise. That's funny. Well, Hex holding on to its 200 daily moving average like it's their last line of hope. They're trying so hard. I was hoping we'd get the full 35% move to the downside. We're not quite there. It's close. We're not quite there. Dang. At this point in time, I mean, honestly, you're just sitting there when bids. You have support sitting at 6708 though. Duality, hello there. Welcome in. Welcome in. Yeah, you got support sitting right below you. Probably not really actionable for taking anything at the moment, but if you can get onto some support, that'd be great. Oh god, you're already putting in bullish divergence on the 4 hour. Crazy. You get these crazy bastards. They're trying to take bids on it now? What a wild area. This random peak is support? This random little section. Oh, we're finding support here. Let's take it up, boys. It's pretty weird. It's pretty weird. Not gonna lie. Pretty weird. You making me money yet? I think I am. Surprisingly, because the vault. Let's go look at the vault. Here's the vault, and currently it says we're up 142%. That's because of deposits, but if we look at it, the only trade I'm technically down right now is this one. Yeah, I'm up technically $33, so yeah, no, we're good. We're good in this weird choppy time. It's looking good. Yeah, we're good there. We are good there. Anyways, keep it up. I do have some big goals for that vault. Apparently that vault is seen all throughout Hyperliquid, so I'm worldwide, baby. Filtered with me earlier with aliens. They stood me up. Oh, that's funny. They stood you up, huh? Terrible. Terrible. So yeah, I guess at this point, we can watch this trade that I've been in for working on 11 hours, and it has gone nowhere. Going global. Yeah, actually, going global. I'm also on a 50x long on Solana over here, only up 2%. Like, what is this nonsense? What is this nonsense? It doesn't make any sense. All day, 50x long. All day. All day, 25x long. All freaking day. What are we doing? 20x long all day. And we're just hanging out. The Bulls went to sleep. The Bulls went to sleep, everybody. But I do think we're about to have a bullish weekend. I really do think we're about to have a bullish weekend. So. Man, we've gone 20 minutes. We already ran out of content to talk about. It's crazy. Well, I guess at this point, we're going to end the YouTube and the Twitch streams, and we're just going to go hang out on Pumpkin, because what's the point? Why? Why what? I don't understand. Why did price action just die off? It's the beginning of the weekend. People are scared because they saw a big red candle. Market makers can hold it down long enough to get shorts to start building up, and then they have liquidity to the upside to steal. How about the topic I posted in Discord? I don't even know what topic you posted. I saw you posted a video. I didn't get to watch the video because you posted it 40 minutes ago, and I didn't watch it. I was getting ready for stream. I figured I'd go live early, you know, for everyone else. Why do you think the weekend will be bullish? Oh, simply because it's not bearish, in my opinion. Money printers have been turned on. We have our treasury that is buying up bonds left and right. In the last 3 weeks, they've bought up $10 billion in bonds. So the money printer is on. It's just not being announced. Now we're just waiting for the rate cuts to happen, and boom, we're ready. Take it, send it, let's go. But if the markets start getting the idea of, oh, we're in a recession, and they start pricing in recession, that's where things can go really south really fast. That could be horrible. It would be a big brain play by the government. You say it would be a big brain play. Once again, I did not watch the video. I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, I actually have no idea what it is. I didn't even read the whole title because the whole title wasn't posted. That guy's title was like a paragraph long title. I watched 10 minutes of it, 2x, and I couldn't take it. Oh. I think any video where they start over-explaining things, it drives me crazy. That's why whenever I'm streaming or doing anything in my videos, I try to get to the point as fast as possible. Because, oh man, the runaround drives me insane. It drives me insane. I don't know, do you guys think I should try and grind out another full hour to my normal streaming time when there's nothing happening in the markets right now? Once again, you guys can come over to Pumpkin and we could all just kick it in the voice chat, you know? That's always an option. Because Pumpkin's where it's at. Pumpkin's a great place. This guy got ADHD, can't watch 10 minutes of porno, bro? Wait, what? Oh gosh. Who's watching that long? Like, what are you doing? Alright, we're switching over to Pumpkin, everybody. It's just painful to be inside of this live stream with zero action happening. So, hey, update. I'm bullish on the weekend, and hopefully the markets are in our favor. Look out for some of the meme coins that haven't ran for a while. Turbo looked pretty good. Therefore, some of the ETH memes might look pretty good. I don't actually know, because I didn't look at their charts. I was staring at Solana all day for 10 hours, doing nothing. I got a whole run in. I was productive while this thing did nothing. It was pretty sad. But, anyways, appreciate those who came in. Maybe hit the like button. There's a static video if you want in-depth TA on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. I'll catch you guys later. If the prices start moving tomorrow, I'll go live. If not, I'll see you in Discord. All right. Deuces to YouTube and Twitch. I appreciate you all. And I'll see everybody else on Pumpkin. Link to Pumpkin. Yeah. Let's get the link here. It's in the description down below, but let's get you this link right here. There you go. There you go. There's the link to Pumpkin. Alright, so hopefully I see everybody over on Pumpkin. I'll catch y'all later. Take it easy. Deuces, y'all. Appreciate you. You're beautiful people. And ding. There we go. Hype dumping.